Okay, so we're solving for this number one. We see the graph, and we are required to find, you see the zeros at 3, 5, and 6. First thing we're asked to do is circle any repeated roots on the graph. Obviously, a repeated root is where it bounces. I'm going to go ahead and do this with a sort of a highlighter here. I got this one, and I got this one. Both of those represent repeated roots because we have a bounce off of the x-axis. Okay. Now, given that, what is the minimum possible degree? Well, first of all, when I'm thinking of degree, I'm thinking of how many turns there are. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 turns. That means the minimum possible degree is 5. Let's see if this makes sense with the zeros that we have. We have x minus 3 squared. We have this 0 here, right here, which is x minus 5. And we have x minus 6 squared. So now the question is, what the heck is the equation of this? Well, I'm going to go ahead and say this is, actually I should write this as p of x just to be proper. So we'll say p of x is equal to a times this. Okay, but we see this point down here, over here, that's 4, negative 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in negative 4 and 4 into this and solve for a, and I get 4 minus 3 squared, 4 minus 5, 4 minus 6 squared. This will give us a times 1 times negative 1 times 4, which gives me negative 4a equals negative 4, so a is 1. So one possible equation is p of x is equal to x minus 3 squared times x minus 5 times x minus 6 squared. Don't feel compelled to multiply that all out. This is a good representation. If I said to put it in standard form, then okay, then you multiply it out, but here it's fine. Okay, so here we have x cubed minus a cubed, and we're going to divide that by x plus a and find the remainder. Okay, so what I'd like you to do is first set this up. If you haven't set this up, go ahead and once you've set this up as x cubed plus 0x squared plus 0x, minus a cubed, and then we're going to divide that by x plus a. So if you haven't done that and you couldn't figure out what to do, start with that and see if you can figure it out. So x goes into x cubed, x squared times, and I get x cubed plus ax squared. So when I subtract this, I will get minus ax squared, and then this will go in minus ax, which will give me minus ax squared. I'm going to bring down this 0x, and that's going to be minus a squared x, and I'm going to subtract this, and I'm going to get plus a squared x, and then to get from x to a squared x, I need to divide by a squared, okay, and then I get a squared x. I want to bring down this minus a cubed. A squared plus a is a cubed, and I'm going to subtract this off. Okay, actually let me fix this just so it looks nicer. That's going to be plus a cubed, and I'm going to subtract this off. These are going to go away, and then I'm going to be left with minus a cubed, which is minus 2a cubed, and this is our remainder. This is the remainder. So the remainder is negative 2a cubed. The quotient, if I was to write this, is minus 2a cubed divided by x plus a, and we're done. So if I was going to write the quotient, it would be all of this up here. I'm having my issues here. I would go ahead and have x squared minus ax plus a squared minus 2a cubed over x plus a. But the remainder is just this number here. That's it.